Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair this morning using the Revlon Colorsilk in the shade Natural Blue Black, and it looks like this. And okay, so for starters, I'm very sensitive to this color. Meaning my scalp itches so bad for the full 30 minutes that it just is so unbearable. So I was given this tip on one of my last videos from a stylist who said that she's been a stylist for like 20 plus years, and every time she colors her hair, she's so sensitive that she would get like scabs and scarring and all that from hair color. And she's found this tip and uses it all the time on herself and clients with a sensitive scalp. So when she told me this, at first I thought it was bizarre, and I was just like, well, if it works, it works. Why not give it a shot? And it's so cheap, and I know it sounds so crazy that I had to put it to the test, knowing that this color is a color that irritates my scalp immensely, that I needed to try it. I needed to try this trick, and since I haven't done this color on my channel yet, I figured, why not? So when I did this, I tested two products to put them both to the test. Her tip was to put a packet of Sweet and Low in. I know, it sounds bizarre, but it works. Honestly, it works better than the Ion Sensitive Scalp Protector Oil. And you could get a whole box like I did for, I think, $2 for about maybe 300 to 500 little packets. And this is like $2.95 at Sally's for just one. And I tested both of these out. So I get 2 boxes of hair color. So I mixed 1 packet of Sweet and Low in a bowl with this color, and then I did the sensitive scalp in another bowl. And I split my hair down the middle, and I did the Sweet and Low one on this side, and then I did the sensitive scalp on this side. And I was pleasantly shocked to see that the Sweet and Low worked so well. I had no itchies whatsoever. The Ion, I had a few itchies here and there throughout the whole process, but I was literally shocked at how well this trick worked. And I'm honestly, once these are all gone, I'm going to be sticking with this because I bought a big package of them, and I don't like the taste of Sweet and Low, so I'm just going to use it on my hair. And I will put this to the test with a L'Oreal color. I got a recommendation to try a new L'Oreal Feria, and that color irritates my scalp from the moment I put it on my head. So I'm going to try that. But I will be using 2 packets of this. And yeah, unless I try and do the same thing where I do one side with a vial of this and the other side with a Sweet and Low. Because I do know I still get irritation with L'Oreal with this. But I kind of feel like since I only do 1 vial, I should try it with 2 and see if it works, versus just the 1. And she did tell me that the more color you use, like honestly, like 2 boxes, 2 packets of Sweet and Low, and you're good to go. It doesn't alter the color whatsoever because my hair looks exactly the same. You can't even tell the difference at all. It doesn't alter the color at all. I mean, it just might smell sugary, but this color actually smells really good. It smells like a floral fresh scent, so it's very pleasant. My hair smells really good, and it doesn't smell like my shampoo or conditioner. It actually just smells like the color, which surprisingly isn't terrible. So you don't really need ventilation because I didn't even notice the color or the scent of the color. So I felt like it smelled pretty good. It came out super dark, which when when I applied it, I was like, it looks dark brown. It doesn't even look like it's blue, like a blue black, because usually when you put a blue black color on, your head starts turning blue, and it wasn't getting dark enough. And I did do it for the full 30 minutes. So like usually my whole scalp turns blue, but it was just getting, it just started looking like a dark brown. And so I was kind of worried, and I was just like, don't tell me this is going to suck like their buttercreams, and it's not going to be as dark. It's not going to be what the box shows. But as I started blow drying my hair and started straightening it, I can see a tiny, not a lot, a tiny amount of blue tint. So when I move it around, I can see some of the blue tints to it. It's not crazy. It's not like, wow, in your face blue, but it's very subtle. It's very like hit or miss depending on like how you, when I mean hit or miss, I mean like you move your head real quick and you can miss it. Like I can see it right here, but I know if as soon as I turn my head, it's not going to be there. So that's what I mean. Like it's very hit or miss, and it's very quick. Like you can, I don't know if you just saw that, but like as soon as I turned my head, it went a completely different shade. It went black, back to black, where you can't really see the blue. So yeah, so I was kind of disappointed. I was expecting a little bit more blue, and I'm glad that there is a hint of blue, because I did not want to have that same disappointment that the Revlon buttercreams have given me. Yeah, so it's super dark. It's got the blue, just a small amount, but it's still good. 100% gray coverage. This color does contain PPD, so just so you know. Yeah, like I said, this hair color usually irritates my scalp, and with this trick with the Sweet and Low is bomb. I love it. I'm going to be doing this with all the hair colors I know that give me an irritation and make my head itch so bad. So I can't wait to try this tip with, like I said, L'Oreal, because L'Oreal itches my head so bad to the point where like I don't even like it. I mean, they have an amazing amount of colors, but it doesn't work with my scalp. It just so anyways, yeah, I mean, Ion is really great as well, but it doesn't protect as well as I want it to. Maybe because when I do it, like I said, I only do one vial instead of two to do my whole entire head. I just add one, but maybe I should try and do 2 vials when I do my hair, so that like maybe it works better. Maybe it will mix in better and help. But I just thought it would be a fun thing to try and see if it really works, so that I can tell all my lovely viewers that have sensitive scalps to be like, hey, try this trick. I mean, what's 2 little sugar packets gonna do? It did not alter my hair color. It didn't do anything except neutralize the pain. The pain went away. So whatever is in this sweetener neutralizes a chemical in here that makes your scalp hurt really, really bad. And it didn't do anything to the color. It covered all my grays. It covered up the horrible color that I put on the last time. Even my scalp is like nice and dark. All my roots are covered. So I don't know. Whatever it is, it's got some magic ingredient in it that just neutralized the pain. And it was so easy. And I was shocked that I didn't have to itch my head at all. So yeah, I just thought I'd tell you guys this cool tip. I know it sounds bizarre, and I thought it was a bizarre, but when a stylist, like a hairstylist who specializes in hair color for 20 plus years says, hey, you gotta try this, then you know what? Why not try it? So she uses it on her own head. She uses it on her clients' head that have sensitive scalps. So what's one little sugar packet worth like a try to make sure that like it doesn't irritate your head? So I tested it out, and like I said, I did half one side Sweet and Low, half the ion sensitive scalp, and I put them to the test, and the Sweet and Low won over the ion sensitive scalp. So I mean, I didn't do anything differently. I just mixed it. I mixed the color with a developer, added the packet of Sweet and Low, mixed it up really good, and then just applied it. And I did the same thing with the ion, so it's nothing different. I didn't alter the hair color whatsoever. I just added that, and I was good to go and had no irritation. I know I'm going on and on and on about this, but it's that good that I really think you guys should try it, especially those who have a sensitive scalp. It doesn't hurt to try, and if you like Sweet and Low, you can always put it in your sweet tea. If this tip does not work for you, you can put it on your strawberries, you can put it in your sweet tea, you add it to your coffee, you're good. Like, I don't know, I needed to try it and it worked, and I know I'm blabbing about it, but still, like, it blew me away. When I heard the tip, I was just like, it's bizarre, but a stylist is saying that she does it on her head, she does it on her clients in the salon, so it's not gonna hurt for me to just give it a whirl, and it doesn't hurt. It worked amazingly, and that's the best tip I've had, along with buy yourself some hair color remover wipes to get the hair color off your face and your skin, and that has helped me, because you should have seen how messy I was this morning. I got it like it dripped all over my forehead. It was so bad, but yeah, it got all that color off. So anyways, I'm actually in love with this hair color at the moment. It's super dark. It's definitely exceeded my expectations, and I really hope Revlon gets their act together and redoes their buttercream, because I absolutely loved their buttercream formula, and then they changed it and it went downhill from there. And for the price point, like, this is $3. Like, come on. Their buttercream was like $5 and it was amazing, and then they changed their formula, and this is not gonna break the bank. And Revlon is an amazing company, but they changed buttercream and I can't stand it. It was so good. It was so good. I hope this reaches them somewhere, and just they say, okay, we need to look into that. We need to make it better, because I did their black, and their black turned out dark brown. It did not go black at all. And I used to use their blue black all the time, and it used to be like darker than this. It was amazing, and then it just went after they changed the formula. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. So I just thought I'd try out this color, show you guys, tell you these tips and tricks that I obviously just tried and heard from, and you guys help me out so much. You guys tell me all your recommendations, you guys tell me all your tips and tricks, and like, get a color remover wipe, try Sweet and Low to add it, it'll take away sensitivity, do this, do that, and I do it, I try it, and I let you know if it works or not. And yep, so if there's any other colors out there that you want to see that are blue, black, or black, post them in the comments below, and I will see if I can get my hands on them. I have a hard time getting stuff from overseas, because like the United States carries different like lines of brands. Like Schwarzkopf, we have like the brands here, and then UK has like different ones that we can't get our hands on. So I try to search Amazon, eBay, and then like I try all my drugstores to see if I can find stuff, and get as close to the color as possible that you guys recommend. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, give me your comments below, any tips, any tricks, any colors that you want me to try and see if I haven't done it already. I've tried a good chunk of them and I still have plenty more to try. And I'm still getting recommendations, and I have all those written down so that I can try them very soon. So I'll see you next time, guys. Hopefully not next week. Hopefully like in a few weeks. This color will stay and last. I know it will because I've tried it before. But yeah, so I'll see you guys soon.